Hello, my name is Bill Andrews from ExaGrid, Tiered Backup Storage. Today we're going to talk about backup restore speeds. You want to be able to restore the most recent data very quickly so that users can keep working. You don't want to have a user overwrite a file, delete a file, have a corrupted or maybe even encrypted file, and not be able to get a good clean copy of the file back so they can continue to work. So you always want to make sure that on the backup storage, you have the most recent backup in an undeduplicated format, because deduplicated data takes a long time to rehydrate. It's okay to keep longer term data, what we call retention data, in a deduplicated format. And why is that? Well, longer term retention data, here, you have all the time in the world to bring it back. If somebody comes to you and says, we're getting an SEC audit or third-party financial audit, or we're getting a legal audit or a regulatory audit, you have a date. We're going to have that audit in 30 days from now. So you have lots of time to restore from the deduplicated data pool. But you don't have time to restore recent data for user productivity. So what's the best way to go about fast restores? Is to keep the most recent data, let's say the last week's worth of backups, in this undeduplicated format so that it can be quickly restored. And then you can take the long-term deduplicated data for all of your retention, which will save a lot of storage, save you cost, and plus, as I mentioned earlier, you have plenty of time to bring that back. Now remember, deduplicated data can happen two places, one in the backup application and one in the backup appliance itself. So this applies to whether that data is coming from the backup app or the backup appliance. You really want to always end up with a copy that is undeduplicated of your most recent backups and then your long-term data in a deduplicated format. Again, this is Bill Andrews from ExaGrid. Thanks for joining.